Today I'm at Spark Pizza, where fresh Washington ingredients and lots of love and care make some of the best pies in the state.
Sparks has, I think, the best pizza on the east side.
There's something everybody likes on the menu.
You get a lot of unique ingredients, very fresh combinations that I would never think to put together, but then dream about all night.
We wanted to stay local. I mean, this is where our family is, and we've got young children.
Carolyn Scott and her husband own Woodblock and Spark Pizza. For years, they worked in the restaurant industry, but always had dreams of creating something more.
It was every weekend conversation of when we have our restaurant, or it was always talking about the restaurant. You know, it was before Pinterest, so we would go somewhere and go, oh, I really like that glass, and take a picture, and just, finally it was like, okay, it's time to stop talking and let's do.
It's very casual atmosphere.
Like you can come in, get a good beer, hang out. It's very fun, enjoyable, and it's great food.
And we really wanted to feed our community and feed them not just food, but like bring the community together. We just thought it was missing here in Redmond.
Yeah, we've been here a lot actually.
We've had over 100 pizzas and not one has let us down.
It's the new favorite in Redmond.
My kids could eat gross pizza, but I'm pretty picky. And so when they want pizza, I only want to come here.